this morning, the CDC is advising the state of Michigan to make some changes as we are leading the country in concerning COVID cases.
And obviously that is not a good thing. Michigan currently has the highest number of cases in the country and most adults in ICU beds for COVID. Just yesterday, Wednesday, state officials reported more than 8,000 cases and 30 additional deaths.
And now the CDC's director is saying that states like Michigan should impose restrictions to slow the surge, specifically in youth sports. Let's get to Nick Monticelli, who joins us now live with more on what this warning is all about and why the target of youth sports.
Rhonda, good morning to you. The target is because of the data, and there are some people saying that's because of false positives coming from athletic tests, but that's a whole different story. The data that they're seeing right now is in age groups, specifically K through 12, and you also have to look at the number of hospitalizations. That number is almost even worse. The race between vaccinations and cases continues throughout the state of Michigan. Unfortunately, the cases are winning. 63 of 83 counties saw double-digit increases in positivity rates in the last week. The areas in dark purple have a rate of 20% or more. It is very clear from the data COVID is spreading quickly in young people. Those ages 20 to 29 and 30 to 39 have the highest cases. That's these top two blue lines. K through 12 schools top the list of outbreak locations, with high schools being problematic. There's also concern about youth sports. Since January, basketball, hockey, and wrestling have had the highest number of cases and clusters, with 376 cases linked to basketball and 256 to hockey. This includes school-affiliated teams and club and travel teams. The director of the CDC says we should impose restrictions specifically on youth sports.
I encourage communities to consider adjustments to meet their unique needs and circumstances. For example, in areas of substantial or high community transmission, CDC guidance specifically suggests refraining from youth sports that are not outside and cannot be conducted at least 6 feet apart.
But the biggest number to keep an eye on is hospitalizations. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge dove into the numbers.
The graph that should concern everyone the most is this one. It shows the dramatic increase in hospitalizations. Hospitalizations are now doubling every 12 to 14 days. That means we are quickly approaching the peaks seen in December and last spring.
And if we continue at the rate that we're going right now, we are going to hit that peak by Monday. Again, the CDC urging the state to put some restrictions into place. As of right now, though, the governor, the state health department saying they're relying more on vaccinations and they are not planning on any new restrictions. We're live here in Clinton Township. Nick Monticelli, Local 4 News Today.